Looking to level up your home workouts? Whether you are burning calories, boosting cardio health, or spinning your way to mental clarity, the right exercise bike can transform your routine. But with so many options on the market, choosing the best one can feel overwhelming. That's why we've done the hard work for you. In this video, we are diving into the top 5 best exercise bikes available right now. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check them out and find the one that fits your needs best. Let's get started. Number 5. SLUNSE Magnetic Resistance Bike. The SLUNSE Magnetic Resistance Bike offers a professional-grade workout experience with features that appeal to both beginners and seasoned cyclists. Designed for high performance and comfort, it brings gym-quality engineering into your home without the commercial price tag. At its core is a precision-balanced 35-pound flywheel and magnetic resistance system. The ride is smooth, quiet, and challenging, with adjustable tension that lets users scale from easy rides to intense sprints. The belt drive system enhances stability and requires minimal maintenance over time. The bike's frame is built from durable steel, supporting up to 330 pounds. A wide, padded seat is 4-way adjustable, and the handlebars can be moved up or down to suit your preferred posture. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable position for extended rides. Functionally, the SLUNSE bike includes a multifunctional LCD monitor that displays your speed, distance, time, and calories. Number 4. MERACH Exercise Bike. The MERACH Exercise Bike is engineered for users who want a quiet, connected, and customizable fitness experience. Its modern design, magnetic resistance, and smart app integration make it a standout for those seeking high value without a premium price tag. Powered by a silent belt drive system and magnetic resistance, this bike offers a fluid ride with minimal noise, ideal for shared spaces or late-night workouts. The resistance knob provides adjustable levels to match your intensity, whether you are doing a light cardio session or a high-resistance climb. Number 3. Pobo Folding Exercise Bike. The Pobo Folding Exercise Bike is a smart solution for fitness enthusiasts with limited space. This compact, foldable unit offers both upright and recumbent modes, enabling low-impact workouts that cater to various fitness levels. Despite its modest size, it delivers reliable performance and surprising comfort. Equipped with 8 adjustable resistance levels, users can increase intensity as their fitness improves. The smooth magnetic flywheel operates quietly, making it perfect for apartment dwellers or anyone looking to exercise without disturbing others. The sturdy frame supports up to 300 pounds, which is impressive for a foldable bike. The seat is wide, padded, and ergonomically designed with a backrest for added lumbar support. You can also adjust the seat height to match your leg length, which is a welcome feature for households with multiple users. Number 2. Schwinn IC4 Indoor Cycling Bike. The Schwinn IC4 Indoor Cycling Bike stands as a premium choice for serious cyclists and fitness enthusiasts who crave studio-quality workouts at home. With a sleek design and rock-solid construction, it brings performance, durability, and advanced tech into one smart package. At the core of the IC4 is a 40-pound flywheel paired with smooth magnetic resistance and 100 micro-adjustable resistance levels. This allows users to dial in their intensity with absolute precision, mimicking the experience of a real road bike. The dual-link pedals with toe cages and SPD clips accommodate both athletic shoes and cycling cleats for a professional feel. What really elevates the Schwinn IC4 is its compatibility with fitness apps. It syncs via Bluetooth with Peloton, Zwift, and JRNY, giving users access to thousands of on-demand classes, real-time metrics, and virtual rides. The full-color backlit LCD console displays time, distance, calories, RPM, and heart rate, with an included heart rate armband for accurate tracking. Number 1. Barwing 5-in-1 Stationary Bike. The Barwing 5-in-1 stationary bike is a compact powerhouse designed for users who want versatility without sacrificing space. It combines upright, recumbent, and semi-recumbent modes into one foldable machine. What sets this bike apart is its impressive adjustability, with 16 resistance levels, 8 seat height settings, and 3 seat angles. It caters to users of all fitness levels and sizes. The built-in arm resistance bands offer a full-body workout, and the ultra-quiet magnetic resistance ensures smooth pedaling, making it ideal for home use without disturbing others. One of the highlights is its space-saving foldable design. There you have it, the top 5 best exercise bikes that bring the gym experience to your home. Like, subscribe, and let us know which bike you are riding toward better health with.